Hello, friends. It is I, Tauby, the great art detective, coming to you from the Tubman Museum of Art. And I'm in this fabulous exhibition on this beautiful tapestry from the Hodges Family Collection. And this is so interesting, friends. Yes? But you may notice it's huge. Yes? Do you know what this is? This is a tapestry. Now, you may ask, Tauby, what is a tapestry? Well, a tapestry is a form of textile art. And textile art is art that is made with fabrics. Yes? This is woven. It is a weaving. Yes? So it's almost kind of like a carpet for the wall. Yes, if you want to think of it like that. But this is a very elaborate weaving. Yes? It's beautiful. Now, this is very old. This is from the 16th century. Wow, that's very old, yes? And it is Flemish, so it is from Europe. And what is it showing us, yes? Well, we see some different figures in here. There's all sorts of things going on. And so I did a little bit of investigating, friends, and some of my specialists, they let me know that this is from a story. It's from an epic poem, which is a very long poem, yes? It's called The Iliad by Homer, yeah? And you may be or may not be familiar with some of these stories, but they are from Greek and Roman mythology. Huh? And so, why would you have this big weaving that would hang on the wall? Well, there's lots of different reasons. Think about the 16th century. This is when you have castles, yes? Big stone buildings. And if you're in a big stone building, it gets very cold, yes? And so, by hanging something like this onto the wall, it actually serves as insulation, yeah? And so it allows you to keep the warmth into the room, like having a big blanket for the wall, yes? And this tells a story. It's very interesting to look at. If you also think about the history in 16th century, not a lot of people knew how to read or to write. And so they would learn their stories through pictures like this. Yes? Fabulous. Now, this all had to be woven by hand. There were no machines who did this, yes? And so we actually have, I did some investigating, and some of our friends, they gave us a video, and we have some a video of someone showing us how the weaving would work. Thank you for joining me, friends. We'll see you next time.
Hi everybody! Today we are going to be learning how to make a paper plate weaving. For this project, you're going to need a paper plate, a ruler and a pencil, some string or yarn, and some scissors. The first thing you're going to do is measure out lines from the end of the circle about an inch in, just like this. Make these markings all around the circle for an odd amount of lines. You can make as many lines as you'd like, as long as there's an odd amount in the end. Now use your pair of scissors to cut these slits. Now choosing your string, thread the end through one of the slots with about a couple inches of an end tail. And then you're going to weave it to the line directly across. Come back under and to the line next to it, like so. And repeat this process until you thread all of the lines. Now when you're finished, the slot across from where your thread is should be where you started. Taking your two end pieces, tie a knot. And cut the edges. Now that you have your base, take your string and tie a knot around one of the lines. Again, cutting off the extra. Now this might be hard in the beginning. As you can see, the lines aren't completely together in the center, but trying to visualize where they would be, start threading your end piece of string using the over and under method. So for the next line over, I'm going to go over and then under. Again, going over this string and under the next. Now here's the tricky part. At the end where you tied your end knot, those two strings are considered one on this side. So when I go over this string, I'm going to go under both of these. And as you continue to weave, you'll be creating a center, so those strings won't be as separated as they are right now. Continue this over and under method until your whole plate is stringed together and woven. If you'd like, you can also string beads through your string as you're weaving. We hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.
Hello friends, it is I, Tauby, the great art detective, here to congratulate you on finishing another session. Wonderful, that's fantastic. You've been great art detectives, and so we must say our motto together. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. We investigate those who create and salute those who inspire, because we know that making art is good for the heart and questioning makes us smarter. I pledge to look, listen, and learn. And if we follow all the clues, I can learn to make great art too. Thank you, friends. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.